This module looks at the essence of a management review. The management review is actually a tool to gain the top management's commitment to the operation of the energy management system. Therefore, how you as the energy manager make use of management review decides how effective you are as the energy manager. Typically, a management review would be chaired by the energy manager. A management review is the occasion where you can tap into the top management's thinking and gain their authority in order to move the energy management system forward. Therefore, the more you can achieve in the management reviews, the faster your energy management system will develop. The management review is an effective way to demonstrate and accelerate top management's commitment. Also to improve communication between the top management and the operations team, and to monitor the progress of energy management operations and to identify the issues where you want top management to react. Endorsement by top management is a sound way to move this challenging task forward. The management review is a part of the check and act functions in the plan, do, check, act cycle. The review helps introduce continual energy performance improvements without delay, and as shown in the diagram, a management review should be conducted once per plan, do, check, act cycle. The management review addresses two main questions. How well is the energy management system performing? In other words, the input to the management review, and secondly, what is the plan for the next period, the output from the management review. Carrying out management reviews on a scheduled basis fits with the plan, do, check, act cycle, as we've already said. This means the more active the energy management system operations are, the more frequently management reviews should be held. Annually is the minimum requirement. Items reviewed and decisions made must be recorded and documented in accordance with the energy management system's guidelines. And here are the questions you need to ask in the review. Is performance improving as targeted? Is the system adequate and effective? Are we complying with legal and other requirements? Have non-conformities occurred, and if so, what's their current status? What problems and barriers need to be overcome, and what has been achieved? And here are the elements required to decide the plan for the next period. Is the policy working? Are roles and responsibilities properly defined? Are new objectives and targets needed? Are present energy performance indicators appropriate? Which energy review results are recommended for action? Should major new projects be considered, and are allocated resources adequate? The main role of the energy manager in the management review is to gain approval for actions that you want to implement. And here are the reasons for conducting a management review: to demonstrate system performance to the top management and to highlight problem areas where there may be barriers to improvement, to propose and agree plans for the coming interval, and to obtain necessary approval from the top management for further action. The management review should be attended by any person who you think can contribute to the session's aims. These will include the general manager or managing director, as well as technical, financial, production and engineering managers, and the managers responsible for both quality and health and safety. But don't feel limited to the people listed on this slide. The energy manager has the privilege, as chair of the review, to invite any person he or she feels would help ensure top management commit and approve items they want to implement in the energy management system. By the same token, presentations should not only be delivered by the energy manager or the senior managers listed on the slide, they can be given by any appropriate person designated by the chair of the review. To recap, the critical outputs from a management review are decisions and actions made by the top management relating to the issues listed here, starting with improvement in energy performance and changes to energy policy. And for the purpose of accelerating the development of the energy management system under your leadership, more focus should be placed on the final three items: changes to performance indicators, changes to objectives, targets or other elements consistent with commitment to continual improvement, and allocation of resources.